The F11 error code on a Kenmore washer indicates a communication error occurring when the main control board and the motor control unit fail to communicate. This issue can be caused by faulty wiring, a defective motor control unit, or a malfunctioning main control board. To fix the error, start by checking the wiring. Unplug the unit and inspect the wiring between the main control board and the motor control board for loose connections and damaged wires. Reconnect any loose connections and replace damaged wires. If the wiring is intact and the error persists, the motor control unit is likely faulty and needs to be replaced. To do this, power off the unit, unplug it, and remove the back panel. Then, locate and unscrew the green ground wire for the motor control unit. Remove the mounting screws of the motor control board housing, and disconnect the wire harness. After pulling out the old board, install a new motor control unit and reassemble the washer. If the error still occurs, the main control board may be the problem and should be replaced. By following these steps, the F11 error code on the Kenmore washer should be resolved.